picture frames or potential lights. I think we're going to turn them into lights. So this is some stuff we picked up at Canadian Tire. Seems to be a pretty nice color. And if you look at our trailer, you'll see that the interior and exterior are pretty close to the same color, and that will go nicely. Alright, coating number 2 starts. Several light coats should make this turn into a decent thing. So, hinge repair on the frame. We've cleaned up all the lights, which kind of look like junk right now, but they're sanded and primed, and that's the way they're going to stay for the time being. The fiberglass repair from the worn out stuff is proceeding. The other fiberglass repair from stone wear and general life. This is the front corner. This is where we took out the old one, the old clearance light, and what I did was I made a pattern like this, and using a carpenter square lined it up so that I could drill a hole. Once the hole was drilled, then I lined up the corners, made 2 little marks, and what that allows me to do is line this up there. Alright, so we've got that lined up, and now we just sort of approximate the where the holes are supposed to be and where they actually are, and we just get that into position and give it a little squeeze. Okay, same thing for the taillights. So there's our double-sided sticky tape. And this stuff right here, that is a butyl mounting compound, which is going to be used for waterproofing, because this hole is a little bit bigger. This hole there. So now, we just got to stuff that in. And then as we get these wires put inside here, then we just got to line up all our mounting holes. Alright, well, that'll hold for now. And we just got to put a couple of screws in, and we should have it. There we go. Okay, so here's 2 of the lights. This is going to be the under cabinet light. You'll see we've got 3 strips, 1 on each side and 1 down the center. And these are the lights that we made out of a round picture frame, a bit of leftover, and a few strip lights. What I did, and I'll close up, zoom in here a little bit, is I cut it at an angle so all the positives are down one side and all the negatives are down the other side. Now you may ask yourself, why is it that the white is on the negative and the black is on the positive? Isn't black always negative? Well, apparently not so much in trailer wiring. So we're going to put this all together, and then we'll see if we can't light it up for you. We're going to try to do this here. See if this will work. And of course, I have to remember that it is... There we go. That's not too shabby. Connect it up. And there we go. It's awfully bright. So there it is off. There it is on. I think that'll work. We got 3 more, or 2 more. So 3 in total, plus that one for under the cabinets. Well, look at that. We made it out to Stephenfield Provincial Park. The camper survived. We ran it across the scale, and it's about 1,400 pounds in its current trim, which isn't necessarily great, but it's not terrible either. The whole thing seems to have worked. The fridge is running and is functional. The propane's not hooked up. Well, plywood to windows. You gotta love it. But everything else is doing pretty nice, and some of the curtains fell down, but we'll get that fixed. Inside you can see there's, you know, stuff. So it's good.